Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Jura Impressa F8 that was brought in after spending an extended period of time in storage. Maggie brought it in. Thanks for bringing it in, Maggie. The device would not function at all, and when we took it apart we found that the brew group had basically seized up. It required an extraordinary amount of force to operate by hand, which is not normal. So we went ahead and replaced it. And now, if I can make this go, I think that's a heat activated sensor. Nevertheless, you'll see, Maggie, that this thing is back in working condition. Let's get down here. I don't know about you, but I would say that is back up and running. Maggie, I hope you're happy. You can come and get your machine. It was fun to work on, and thanks for bringing it in. If you guys liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this every day.